Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So guys, inside this particular video I want to show you an update of what has happened to our trade on our boom 150, and also we are going to check our analysis on our boom 500. So this is 5 minute time frames, and I want to show you guys how this particular trade has been so perfect and accurate on this particular chart. So as you can see now, we have our indicator installed on this particular chart. So for you to get this perfect not reprint indicator, it will only cost you little, and all what you need to do is to reach me on my Telegram or send me a DM. I will drop the link on the video description so that you guys can see it and you can join my Telegram group. So, and also if you are new to this channel, kindly do well to subscribe to this channel so for you to see the latest updates on boom and crash and step index. So as you can see, this is boom 150 5 minute time frames. You can see this is boom 150 time 5 minute time frames, and according to this particular indicator, we can see this is our first indicator here that we install, and this particular arrow is the second indicator. You can see we have the green arrow for the uptrend and we have the red arrow for the downtrend. That is how we have it on this indicator. So for you to trade this particular indicator, you need to first understand that this our red 9 here is our support level, and we also have this as our resistance level. So anytime you have your trade, let's say you have an arrow that appear on your particular chart, and you see that this your light green arrow is reaching your support, is reaching your resistance level, then that particular area might be your what take profit level 1, or you might decide to take your profits at that particular area, or you wait till you have another confirmation arrow, which is the second confirmation arrow. You can see that. So that is how to make use of this indicator. And guys, this particular arrow indicator does not reprint. So once it is out, it stays permanently on the chart, and that's what makes this particular indicator so effective. You can see this particular chart. Let me zoom in so that you guys can see. So you can see this particular chart. At this particular area, it gives us a buy signal that we are going for a buy trend, and you can see what the price did. The price moved above this particular level. You can see it moved massively, guys. It moved massively, and you can see this particular zone. So this particular zone happens to be our strong zone for us to enter for buy zone, and we are going to be watching this our light red 9. Once it reach with our support resistance level, that is our take profit level. You can see it reaches at this particular area. You can see that the two come together at this particular area. So when your trade is reaching somewhere around this particular area or this particular zone, that is to tell you that we have we can take our profits here, and if you can still see this particular trend can still continue, which should still respect this our uptrend level. And also here you can see that we have a sell signal at this particular area. We have a sell signal at this particular area, which indicates a sell signal. You can see what the market did. The market go down on the massive. This is our take profit 1, and this is another take profit 2. You can see that that is very massive on 5 minute time frames. That is on boom 150 5 minute time frames. So we can see that. And also we have another downtrend here, which does not go long. Because of what? Because we can see that our arrow here does not accurate here. But even if you enter here and you decided to close here, it's going to be somewhere like loss of $1 or $2. And the same thing happened to here. This is an uptrend move for us, and let's say we enter around this particular area and you decided to close this when you have another signal appear, it's going to be around $1 or few cents at this particular area. But you can see that this longer one is the massive one. It will have covered any loss you have made in the market. So it's not that this indicator is not making loss. It's going to give you but it will maximize your risk taking. It will minimize your risk taking. So all what you need to do is to have this indicator. I've told you guys that this indicator is one of the best indicators that have helped me change a lot of things in trading. You can see this is another performance. you can see go massively up to this particular area. You can see that. So this is another trend. We have another trend here. We can see that we have a downtrend here which does not go really long like that before the market reverse. Let's say you enter for your sell entry here, maybe you did not close here, and you decided to wait for it. Now it's giving you another signal at this particular area. That is to show you that between year to year that's going to be a little bit of loss, but if you close it around this particular area and you decided to enter for this is going to cover up everything and give you a massive profit for you guys. So this is another one. You can see what happened here again. The same thing happened here again. The same thing happened here. So this indicator is very powerful and it's very massive, guys. So let me show you guys on our boom 500 what has happened on our boom 500. You can see I make this video on yesterday that how I take this particular trend from starting from this particular area up to this particular area. I make a video on this particular zone. So the reason why I take this particular video is that so that you guys will see that this indicator work on live trading, so that you will understand that this indicator works on live trading. You can see I closed this particular trend yesterday at this particular spot because I realized that my light red has reached my resistance level, so I take it at this particular zone, and you can see another arrow appear at this particular area which does not even long little bit, but if you enter this particular area and maybe you close it at this particular area, it's still going to be a few cents loss for you. And let's say you re-enter this particular zone and you can see what the market do. The market go down on a massive downtrend, and currently now we have another uptrend. We have another uptrend. You can see that. So this uptrend is going like this, and we can see that it has not given us any confirmation yet. It has not given us any confirmation yet. Maybe very soon we are going to be having a confirmation yet. So that is how this indicator works. It works so perfectly. So guys, for you to get this particular indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you are going to get updates on the trading, on getting this particular indicator. And also you can do where to reach me so that you can get this perfect indicator. Thanks guys.